Hello, welcome to Opendashboard. Today I want to walk you through the process of getting started with Opendashboard. This tutorial will be part of a larger series demonstrating how to make the best of Opendashboard for your business or organization. In this tutorial, we would focus on creating an account, setting up your first workspace, switching between different workspaces. At the end of this video, you should be able to do this effortlessly. To create an account, visit opendashboard.app on your browser. Click on Try for Free. If you're on mobile, click on the menu on the top right, then Try for Free. Follow the prompt to sign up, either using your email or via Google. For any of these options, you will get an email requesting you to verify your email. Follow the link in the email to finish creating your account. To create your workspace, you need to follow the prompt displayed. Enter the workspace name, choose your workspace domain, and answer a few questions to help us tailor your experience. After this, your first workspace is ready. Switching between workspaces. To switch between workspaces or create new workspaces, click the workspace switcher located at the upper right of your screen and follow the prompt there to proceed. Recap. Here we learned how to create your account, create a workspace, and switch between multiple workspaces. In the next video, we'll be learning about databases and pages.